So following on from my last tip, which was about an Allen key and how to cut one down, if you haven't got an Allen key that's the right size, then I've got a handy little hack which will do the job as well. There's sort of lots of different ways around different things, so stay tuned. So we've got an Allen key hole again, but say like the last tip I gave, if you haven't actually got an Allen key that fits it, then what you can use is a flathead. So I've got one in my drill, just a normal flathead. This is a bit of a smaller one that actually fits, but if you've got a hand screwdriver, that'll work as well, as long as it fits in the hole. So this one, you can see it just about, can't really see it from there, but it fits in the hole, and as long as it fits on one of the angles, then it's not going to go anywhere. It's not ideal, and as long as you take it slow. So I put it in my drill driver. Yeah, it's in there now. So it fits. You can see the screws moving, but it's not a perfect fit. I wouldn't say so. But it still does the job. So if you're in a bit of a pinch and don't have anything else, then use a screwdriver. There we go, there's my tip of the day. So hopefully that helped. Please hit like, please hit subscribe, stay tuned for more. If you've got anything to add, please add a little message down below. Thank you very much.